everyone. My name is Master Sergeant Badoy, a proud Filipino, young and rising YouTuber, former chief investigator of the Online Special Investigation Group, and leader of the anti-heat movement here in the Philippines. I've dedicated my life to fighting for justice online. I've helped countless young, innocent users who were bullied, scammed, harassed, or wronged by disgusting predators and toxic people hiding behind screens. I've exposed the truth, brought accountability, and stood up for those who couldn't fight back themselves. But now, it's time to take it to the next level. I'm announcing that I'm going all in. I will be making hard-hitting exposing and roasting videos against all the disgusting users on YouTube and beyond, the liars, the scammers, the bullies, the creeps who think they can get away with hurting innocents. No more hiding. If you're one of those lowlifes preying on the vulnerable, especially young people, consider this your warning. I'm coming for you. I'll dig up the facts, lay out the evidence, and roast you so hard you'll regret ever touching a keyboard. I will declare it for second anti-heat trolling agency session meeting. This channel is for justice. This is for the victims I've helped, and the many more out there needing a voice. If you've been wronged, drop your stories in the comments or DM me. I got your back. Subscribe now, hit that bell, and let's clean up this platform together. Justice is coming. Master Sergeant Badoy, signing off.
Well, Master Sergeant Badoy, congratulations. The FNCAL has risen to a successful alliance thanks to him. Why? Because during the Mirror-Fan Pact War, we helped him, and when the Mirror-Fan Pact attacked us, we fought back. We called our allies and other leaders of OSIG to
tear down this wall.